guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we're gonna do something different. I haven't done lamb yet, so I wanted to do, because the Eid is coming, a lamb recipe. So we are making Moroccan style lamb chops. They're center cut, porterhouse style lamb chops. It is a simple and a cool recipe that is so easy to duplicate, but it is definitely Basant style. I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients really quick, but as usual, I'm gonna have the entire recipe posted in the description box. We have red skinned potatoes, parboiled as a side, 1 bunch mint, 1 chopped onion, salt, cayenne pepper, cumin seeds, granulated garlic, black pepper, coriander powder, and paprika. I'm using center cut lamb chops. These are about 2 ounces, gorgeous cut. I took all the fat off so we have no extra flare-ups. Extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and of course we're gonna eat it with bread. So guys, all the awesome ingredients are in. Now we're gonna make this awesome recipe happen because it is Basant style. Start off with half cup olive oil. I'm using extra virgin. You can use regular olive oil too if you like. Just like the flavor. I'm gonna use half cup lemon juice because that helps in the breaking down process. I'm gonna put 1 onion. I'm gonna do 1 bunch mint. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon, nice big spoon of coriander powder. I'm gonna do half tablespoon Spanish paprika. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. I like to do this. You can also use cumin powder too. I love cumin seeds. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon salt. You can use less if you guys don't like a lot of salt, but 1 tablespoon for 5 pounds is a good measurement. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons black pepper and 1 tablespoon granulated garlic. Now we're just gonna mix it all in. Make sure you get everything in. Rub it really good so all the lamb chops are covered with the seasonings. And after you rub it in, I want you to let it sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Sometimes I prefer to do it overnight, but after an hour, it's fair game. You guys can see how beautiful the spices have coated the lamb chops, and it smells amazing. Mint is doing its job. So what you do now is you cover it with saran wrap and you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I prefer doing it overnight so it gives lemon juice to do its job and breaks the tissue down, so you have really nice tender lamb chops. But after an hour, it's fair game. So we're gonna let it in and then we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start grilling. So I have the grill hot at 400 degrees because I like the shock and awe, high heat, the whole deal. So start placing the lamb chops. Okay, you take the mint leaves off because you don't want burnt mint leaves. That's what you want to hear, the sizzle. The meat starts to seal in the spices. Now, so all the lamb chops are in. We're gonna shut this and we're gonna let the grill do its job. Okay, so every minute, minute and a half, I just flip them so they don't overcook on each side. And we'll keep doing it till they're done. Yeah, you see the grill marks are starting to come on. I turned them for the first time. You see the grill marks are coming on. And just the smell is just, I'm gonna hydrate them with a little bit of oil, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna flip them. Yep, oil's doing its job. All right guys, lamb chops are ready and they look gorgeous. Look at the beautiful grill work on them. They are like about medium well. Before I take them off the grill, I like to take half a lemon and just rehydrate them with it. And I put a little coarse black pepper on the charcoal. So kind of sticks to it. And a little bit of salt. I'm gonna take them off the grill. Oh my God, I wish you guys could smell how gorgeous it came out. I'm gonna let them sit for about half hour, 20 minutes. So I've seasoned the potatoes, they're resting, and I'm gonna saute broccoli really quick with olive oil, and we're gonna season it with a pinch of pepper, to taste, salt, and about a tablespoon of garlic because I love garlic. And hydrate it with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. And it's a rough saute. You don't have to sit there and do it super long. As soon as the broccoli's color gets dark green, take it off. This is it. Broccoli is completely done. This is exactly what you want. Dark green color, and then you turn the stove off and let it cook inside. So guys, lamb chops are done, potatoes are done, broccoli is done. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna plate, and I cannot wait to try my lamb chops because they came out amazing. So I like to plate broccoli in the center of the cutting board so you can have your guests walking around eating on both sides. I like to use cutting boards for serving platters because that's a modern way to do it, and it just gives it that rustic and modern and rugged look that I love and my cooking is all about. And the same premise is with the potatoes. Hearty, rustic food that looks pretty and traditional and gorgeous. That's the kind of food I love cooking. I'm gonna start plating lamb chops. Just tuck it in. This is it, guys. Lamb chops are ready and they look and smell amazing. Look at the gorgeous grill work on them, and the seasoning is just stuck to them. We're serving it with red skin potatoes, sauteed broccoli, little cilantro aioli, and lemons. Guys, this is the food I love cooking. This is my kind of cooking. High heats, dry rubs, meats, exactly what Basant style is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Time to take it for a spin. I've been dying to do this. I like a lot of lemon. Put the little cilantro. Wow, so tender, and the seasoning is just perfect. It is absolutely awesome.